Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Skinnytaste Cookbook is probably one of the most sought-after cookbooks for health-conscious individuals who love delicious food, offering a wide variety of recipes that are both satisfying and surprisingly light on calories and fat, making it easier than ever to enjoy your favorite meals without sacrificing your health goals or flavor. Number 5. Skinnytaste One and Done Cookbook. Are you tired of complicated recipes? This cookbook simplifies dinner time with 140 easy, delicious recipes. It features a wide variety of recipes perfect for your Instant Pot. Discover quick and healthy meals with minimal effort. Unleash the power of your slow cooker with amazing recipes. It's perfect for busy weeknights. Explore the crispy and delicious world of air frying. It offers healthy alternatives to traditional frying methods. Enjoy easy cleanup with sheet pan dinners. These recipes are perfect for one-pan cooking convenience. Discover the versatility of skillet cooking. It provides simple and flavorful recipes for everyday meals. Uncover the magic of Dutch oven cooking. It offers hearty and flavorful recipes for all occasions. It's not limited to just these methods. It includes many more cooking methods for diverse culinary experiences. With 140 recipes, you'll never run out of ideas. Say goodbye to dinnertime boredom. This cookbook is your go-to guide for simple, healthy, and delicious meals. Start cooking tonight. What we like. It works with various cooking tools. It provides a wide variety of recipes for any occasion. If you need quick and easy meals using different kitchen appliances, this is the cookbook for you. What people say. It hits all the notes of being simple and delicious. There's nothing diet about the flavor where you need to give a measure of forgiveness to the taste because it's lacking. This is homemade comfort food. I especially love the Instant Pot recipes. Everything comes together so fast and can stay warm for hours. It includes a brief introduction to one-pot cooking and then recipes for the skillet, sheet pan, pressure cooker, air fryer, Dutch oven, slow cooker, and grill. Each of the recipes is laid out on one page for easy cooking and includes a full-color picture and nutritional information, which I found very helpful. Gina also includes useful instructions for converting recipes from one appliance to another. I love that the entire book consists of dinner recipes. I love how the book is broken down by cooking vessels, sheet pan, Dutch oven, skillet, etc. I love that the recipes are consistently delicious and most are simple for someone who has some experience in the kitchen. I also love that the concept this book is based off of, I only dirty one pan, and it's the pan my food is served out of, making cleanup much easier on busy weeknights. Number 4. Skinnytaste Air Fryer Cookbook. Get ready to explore a world of delicious and healthy air fryer recipes. This cookbook is your key to guilt-free indulgence. It's packed with 75 amazing recipes, all designed to be both satisfying and good for you. Say goodbye to greasy, unhealthy meals. Each recipe includes simple, step-by-step instructions, making it perfect for cooks of all skill levels. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to create restaurant-quality meals. Whether you're new to air frying or a seasoned pro, it has something for you. Discover new favorites and elevate your cooking game. It's all about creating healthy versions of your favorite comfort foods. Enjoy delicious meals without the guilt. Grab your copy now and start creating healthy and delicious meals your whole family will love. It's time to experience the joy of air frying. What we like. It focuses on one popular cooking tool. It offers a curated selection of healthy recipes. If you love air frying and want delicious, healthy meals, this cookbook is perfect for you. What people say. It is full of wonderful, easy recipes using ingredients you normally have in your kitchen, unlike some books that call for ingredients I've never heard of. The beginning has a nice intro about air fryer basics. Many recipes also have little added suggestions for making them gluten-free, skinny, dairy-free, etc. Added bonus, most of the recipes have lovely color pictures. Number 3. Skinnytaste Meal Prep Cookbook. Say goodbye to nightly takeout struggles. This cookbook helps you plan ahead and enjoy delicious, healthy meals all week long. It's packed with make-ahead recipes and freezer-friendly options. No more last-minute meal decisions. Prepare several meals at once, saving you valuable time and reducing stress during the week. It's all about efficiency and great taste. Stock your freezer with healthy meals ready to heat and eat. Perfect for busy schedules and unexpected guests. This cookbook is your secret weapon for healthy, delicious, and stress-free eating. Enjoy the convenience and the flavor. It offers a variety of recipes that are both satisfying and nutritious. You'll feel good about what you're eating. What we like. It's all about efficient meal preparation. It includes tons of make-ahead and freezer recipes. If you value time-saving and organized eating, this is your ideal choice. What people say. I made 3 different meals within the first week of having this cookbook. It is my favorite cookbook for meals that my family loves, with healthy ingredients, calories provided to allow me to track my calories, and meal planning ideas for portioning for lunches. The book is filled with creative, healthy recipes that are both flavorful and easy to prepare. The meals are family-friendly, and I love how many of the recipes are customizable. My third street book. Every recipe has nutritional facts, freezer-fridge duration, and reheating instructions. Finish photo of every recipe. Easy to keep track of your calories. Number 2. Skinnytaste Air Fryer Cookbook. Looking for healthy and easy weeknight meals? This cookbook has 75 delicious recipes, all made in your air fryer. It's packed with variety. You'll find something for everyone, and it's perfect for busy weeknights. These recipes are simple to follow, even if you're short on time. Get dinner on the table quickly and easily. Discover how versatile your air fryer can be. It's the perfect tool for healthy and delicious cooking. It's a guilt-free way to enjoy your favorite comfort foods. You'll love the results. Say goodbye to complicated recipes and hello to quick, easy, and healthy dinners. It's the perfect solution for busy families. What we like. It provides a variety of recipes for a specific appliance. It focuses on quick and healthy weeknight meals. If you're looking for simple, healthy air fryer dinners, this cookbook is a must-have. What people say. Actually, this is the second copy of this book that I have purchased. This one has been gifted to share Gina's expertise in creating delicious recipes in useful books. This book is a real bonus. All the recipes are dinner entrees with suggested sides. Or, just the entree can be made and accompanied by sides of cook's choice. There is a surprise feature to the book. No air fryer? Look in the back of the book, pages 171 to 173, to find instructions for making each and every entree in the book in oven or by another conventional cooking method. This air fryer cookbook has quickly become a favorite in my kitchen. The recipes are simple to follow, perfect for busy weeknights or when I just want a healthy meal without much fuss. I love that the ingredients are common and don't require a lot of prep work, so I can get cooking quickly. The variety is fantastic, with options for everything from veggies to meats and even desserts. Each recipe turns out great in the air fryer, crispy, flavorful, and with way less oil. Every recipe has clear instructions, has a picture of the finished recipe item and has a list of common ingredients. No going to an Asian grocery store for a strange item. Included at the back of the book is a list of each recipe with temp and times if you want to cook using a conventional oven. Number 1. Skinnytaste Simple Cookbook. This cookbook makes healthy eating easy. It's filled with delicious recipes, each using 7 ingredients or less. Discover exciting new dishes without spending hours in the kitchen. It's all about simple ingredients and maximum taste. Each recipe keeps it streamlined. You'll save time and money while enjoying healthy meals. The clear instructions make even complex-sounding recipes manageable. Anyone can create these dishes. It's a guilt-free way to enjoy flavorful food. These recipes are perfect for busy weeknights or special occasions. Even if you're new to cooking, it's easy to master these recipes. You'll be amazed at how simple healthy eating can be. What we like. It features recipes with minimal ingredients. It emphasizes ease and health in its recipes. If you prefer uncomplicated cooking with fresh, healthy ingredients, this is the one for you. What people say. Every recipe has a photo and a list of each ingredient needed, 7 or less. Many ingredients are in your home now, or are easy to find. 7 ingredients, instructions I really understand, successful meals. Gina has tips on substitution and the meals are often excellent for meal prep. The photos are fantastic. She provides a shot of each item needed for the recipes. Easy to follow and little prep time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.